Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. It's a YouTube tutor here, and today I'm here to show you how to solve 81 squared in seconds with this simple trick I just learned. So we take our first digit, which is 8, and square it. 8 squared gives us 64. The next is 1. 1 squared is 01 or simply 1. So we just write it this way, 6401 for the sake of our trick. So the next is multiplying 8 and 1 by the exponent. So what I mean is 8 times 1 giving us 8 times the exponent 2, which gives us 16. So now we can write 16 and add a 0 and sum it all up. 1 plus 0 is 1, 6 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 6 alone is still maintained. So 81 squared is nothing else but 6,561. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.